Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make cream without whipping cream. It's simpler than you might think, using just a few basic ingredients you likely already have. We will explore two effective methods, one using milk and butter, and another incorporating milk with a thickening agent like cornstarch. These substitutes are perfect for adding richness to your favorite dishes, from savory sauces to delightful desserts, ensuring you are never without a creamy touch in your cooking. Let's get started. Our first method uses milk and butter to create a rich cream substitute. For every 1 cup of cream you need, combine 3/4 cup of whole milk with 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Warm this mixture gently in a saucepan, stirring until the butter is completely melted. Do not let it boil. Then, pour it into a blender and process on high for about 1 minute to ensure it's well emulsified. Finally, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, for the best consistency. For a lighter cream substitute, especially good for thickening, try the milk and thickener method. Simply whisk 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into 1 cup of cold milk until there are no lumps. You can also use 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour instead of cornstarch. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously. It will begin to thicken as it warms. Once it reaches your desired creamy texture, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly before using. Here are some final tips for your homemade cream. For the richest results, always opt for whole milk. Thoroughly blending or whisking is key to achieving a smooth, emulsified texture. Remember to chill your cream for several hours. This significantly improves its thickness and stability. These versatile creams are perfect for enriching savory dishes like creamy pasta sauces or soups, adding to your morning coffee, or incorporating into desserts where liquid cream is called for. Enjoy your delicious homemade creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.